challenge, trading 3D printed models for food. Are you out of cash? Hey, hello, boss, hello. So, here's the thing, can I trade a toy for some food here? It's a toy, a pure toy. It's a 3D printed toy I made myself. Printed, yeah. Are you really out of money? Yeah, I really have no money. No cash at all. It's okay, have a seat, sit down. I'm envious. It looks delicious. Otherwise, love that never grows up, loved by some, known by others, won't have too many worries. Always not. Here, the host inspects his territory and secretly takes some photos. Knowing why we persist in harsh reality. In the city hidden in stagnant water, tears dry as the main print finishes, preparing for 3D printing. Last time, many asked what printer I use. Actually, I use the TiVo PSC. Who isn't on the brink, crying for death, wanting to use magic to unveil life's sorrow? Isn't it like running in darkness chasing light? I've also experienced failure, and been hurt by others' eyes. You can see small tables and stools printed, with high precision, and it's very hassle-free. In the next life, I want to be a child who never grows up, someone to have fun with, someone to rely on, won't have too many worries. With the simplest eraser, you can. For real life, can't we let this one go? Sometimes, human liberation. Hello, boss, hello, I brought it for you, the one I made last time. This day, well, why is it still open? It feels quite difficult. Oh, that day, sorry, that day, I was allowed to work. You told me about 3D models, not the other way around. It really is. Oh, no, boss, please don't say that. So, here's the thing, I'm very grateful for your kindness today. And thank you for the noodles. This looks really beautiful. Inside, wow, it's just like our shop's white. Yes, impressive. Wow, the air conditioner won't turn on. Uploading model to Bamboo Labs MakerWorld community. Viewers with 3D printers can download and print it.